Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do the Nayanthara inspired makeup look. Sorry for not posting a video on Friday because now on I'm going to start only weekly once. That is, I'm going to post on Tuesdays at 11 a.m. Don't forget to check it out. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first let's start by using an ice cube. So next for moisturizer, I'm going to use aloe vera gel. It's a very nice moisturizer and also it doesn't dry my skin out, so I love using moisturizers. So now the aloe vera gel is absorbed into my skin. Leave it for at least 10 to 20 seconds so that it really absorbs into your skin. And you can see my skin is not doing that great. I have a pimple here, but yet I wanted to do this video. So let's move on to the next step. So the next step is priming. I'm using the Blue Heaven primer and I'm going to prime my face. Now I'm going to dot foundation all over my face. I'm done applying the foundation and now I'm going to fill my eyebrows. I'm done filling my brows. Why I did it in this way, it's because Nayanthara has really thick brows and beautiful brows, that is why. And now I'm going to use a liquid concealer from Swiss Beauty and outline the So we are done blending everything and now we are going to do the eye makeup. So whenever we see Nayanthara's picture, she always does smoky eye looks, if you can see. Smoky eye looks with the smudged eyeliner, which is very nice. So that's what we're going to do today. You can see in a close-up also. She does this smoky eye always. So now we are going to do a smoky eye look. Taking a fluffy brush here. And I'm going to apply this contouring shade, this brown shade on the entire eyelid. It will create a nice smoky effect when you do this. So now I'm going to use a compact and just set my under eye and all so that it doesn't crease. I have to set the whole face because Nayanthara's makeup is always a little dewy. It's not matte at all. So let's not apply on the whole face. So now I'm going to use the NY Bay Kajal and very boldly draw my eyes, because if you can see, Nayanthara's eyes very bold and they draw a nice layer of Kajal which looks very pretty. So here also I'm drawing a nice layer and then taking little black eyeshadow and smudging it to get a nice smoky effect. And now I'm using the Blue Heaven Walk Free Mascara and nicely coating my lashes. Nayanthara doesn't use false lashes but she puts a good amount of mascara, so I did that. And now I'm going to contour my face with the same eyebrow pencil. You can even use a contour for that, and I then set it with contour with the bronzer itself and nicely blend it into my skin. And below that I put a little bit of concealer. It gives a nice cut effect. If you can see, Nayanthara's face is really thin and also they contour, so I did this step in order for my face to look a little more bold. And now I'm taking the blush and applying it. So I'm applying a little bit of glittery blush today because as it's a dewy makeup. And now I'm going to do the bindi. So for that I took a liquid lipstick as I was not having a red bindi, and I just took the brush and drew a round bindi. This is a liquid lipstick from Blue Heaven, the non-transfer lip color. And now I'm using the Swiss Beauty makeup setting spray and nicely setting my face. Because it's a dewy makeup, you have to set it really well so it doesn't come, and then just dab it with the sponge so that it sets all your makeup really well and it gets a nice blend. And now I'm using the Mega Glow highlighter from Wet n Wild and nicely highlighting my face to give that nice shiny glossy effect. So you can too do the same and you look amazing. It's a very nice highlighter, no chunks at all. It blends really well into the skin. I put it in the high points of my face, and then I use a nude lipstick and I first outline my lips and then I use that and fully cover my lips. The picture also had a nude lipstick, so that is why this doesn't suit my skin that well, but yet I used it. And now I'm using the Blue Heaven Hot Latte lipstick and I just spread it all. This is a final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe to my channel, please. What are you waiting for? And thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you want to see more such videos, stay tuned with me, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.